Here's a map of Memories Flamenco in Cuba. I took this photo from the front desk before I left. And so this is basically the whole resort. Up here, the wave right there, that's the ocean. So I was in building 3, right there, building 3. The buildings 1, 2, 4 are right by the ocean, as you can see here. Down here, this is the main lobby and the auditorium right there. So I said the best buildings to be at is 1, 2, 3, 4. But the problem with 1 and 2 is during the nighttime when the music plays, it's actually very loud, and you'll be hearing it at 1 and 2. Because at number 3, where I was located, I can hear the music clearly, even through the screens, like with the doors shut and everything. I can hear everything. So my update is building 1, 2 may not be good if you're like sleeping. There may be an issue with the auditorium because I don't know I don't know what it was in 1 and 2 because I was never there during the nighttime, right? So there may be an issue with the sound because of where its location to the auditorium. But if you look at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, they're right by the pool and they're right by the ocean, right? So, but my friends, they were at number 7, right there. So they had a long walk. What's funny is number 5 was completely empty. I don't know what's going on with that building. I have a video coming up on that, and I have another video on. We'll do another walking tour of the whole resort. Another issue is the spa is all the way here. See this? Spa and the gym is all the way here. I'm not sure why they did that. It should have been closer to the main buildings because look at the long walk, right? So that's another issue is the spa and the gym is far away. I never even did a video of that. I never went there because it was just too far away and we never even really used it. So, and look at number 10, it's far away. So if you ever go to Memories Flamenco, always ask for 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you're probably 5, 6 is okay. 6 is a little bit okay, but if you're at 5, 5, 7, 9, 8, and 10, you're asking for a long walk. So, yeah, this is an update. Here's the complete map of flamencos.